build radical new aircraft. At this once secret airbase outside Moscow, Russian engineers created what looked more like a flying saucer than a plane.
React to Russian cyberpunk farm, please. Thank you. Love you, chat.
Called
xQcOW.
Taryelka, it was conceived during the height of the Cold War. This early secret footage shows the first scale model test.
This is like a whale. This is like
Their methods
Waylord.
were low tech, but the results were remarkable. It looked impossible, but the Taryelka flew.
Russian designers have a tremendous amount of imagination and great capability. They have been working under a difficult condition in recent years because they don't have much money, and therefore it's hard to get things accomplished. But some of the most advanced aeronautical and space system designs have been done in Russia.
The initial tests were so successful that construction
I have a question, chat. Only one today, okay? If you make things at a small scale with the same weight ratios and you upscale it, can things go wrong? Do things go wrong just because it's bigger?
Looking like a craft from another planet,
yes.
It could carry up to 12 passengers and become the new executive jet of the future. The engines are housed inside the main body. The small wings provide no lift at all. They help stabilize and steer the machine.
A little bit like an ant.
But shortage of money from
Drop an ant from a tree.
Has already caused work to stop.
By length, it's like dropping from a crazy building, but they don't die.
A waterborne version was also tested. It was designed to travel just above the surface.
But if you upscaled them with exact ratios, you absolutely would die.
This is called
it's called the square cube law.
Russian designers have
and I'm fucking learning today, dude.
Most unusual aircraft. This is the Ekranoplan.
Holy shit, this looks pog.
Larger than a jumbo jet, it holds the world record for the greatest lift for any aircraft, an amazing 1,000 tons.
Eat it. This looks kind of dangerous.
This astonishing machine is powered by 8 huge jet engines. Travels at 300 miles per hour, only a few feet above the ocean, and could carry 1,000 Soviet Marines.
Jeez, dude. This looks like it just made the carbon emission of like 60 cars for 20 years.
Since the Cold War, the project has been crippled by financial problems.
So?
Today, the original monster sits in dry dock.
That sucks. Pog you. I wonder how many old technology like aircrafts or whatever that we built that are still operable that we're never gonna use again, that are just sitting around gathering dust. Probably a crazy amount, right? Like cars.